Hello, financial fans. I bought a couple of stocks this week. I bought one stock on Monday and I bought one stock today. Today being Wednesday, this is 8/11, and Monday was 8/9, August 9th. And both stocks seem to be doing okay. We'll find out as we check. Got a page up here that tells me that my two stocks, and by the way, they both start with the initial O. OMF is one of the stocks I bought. I bought that on Monday, and that was mentioned in a comment on one of my videos by someone, and I thank whoever that is who mentioned OMF. I bought that, and on Monday, OMF, I paid $58.53 a share for it. And today I bought OKE, and I paid $52.87.92 per share for that. And as of right now, let me look at my portfolio. I'm at TD Waterhouse, and OMF and OKE. OMF is up 2.58% since, so 2.5% since Monday, and OKE is already up today, just the last few minutes. It's up 0.14%, 1/7 of a percent. And we'll take a look at the numbers here. Begin with One Main Holdings, OMF. I bought this one on Monday. $59.95, and this is during the trading day on Wednesday, so these numbers fluctuate, and it'll be up or down a few pennies this way or that, but $59.95 at this very moment for One Main Holdings, which is OMF. And the 52-week range for that, $28.34 to $63.19, so it's closer to the high than it is to the low. And the average volume, 1,165,000 shares trade every day, and that's all in the first column on the left. And at the bottom of the column on the left, we see the word undervalued. Those who put a lot of time into researching stocks have considered this stock to be undervalued, meaning they think it's going to go up in value. And the beta, look at that. That's the second item down in the middle column, the beta, 2. This moves around twice as much as the market, generally speaking, and so if you think the market's going to be going up, this might be a good ride to get on. So just beta is not scientific. It's something that happens more often than not, but don't depend on it. PE ratio 5.88, under 6, which is a tremendously good PE ratio. The forward dividend and yield, which is also in that middle column, forward dividend and yield, $2.80 brings 4.8% dividend, which is very good, and it looks pretty safe with that earnings per share of $10.19. 1-year target, $68.23. That would be nice if that happens, and that's OMF, which I bought on Monday. And now we're looking at the other O, which is OKE is the symbol, and it's One OKE, O-N-E, One OKE Incorporated. And the symbol OKE, the price at this moment, $52.92 per share. And the average volume, almost 2.7 million shares trade every day. And the experts consider this to be near fair value. The beta, again, in the middle column, the second item down, is 2. So this one, if the market is going up, this might be a good stock to be with. The PE ratio, 17.51. That's more like the market in general it's higher than I would like, but still it's even lower than the PE ratio for the average that's in the market right now. The earnings per share, $3.02. The forward dividend and yield, 7.1% is the yield on this one. 1-year target, $54.16, so that would be a small rise, but still it's a move upward. I'm not a financial expert. Don't expect OMF and OKE to just suddenly go jumping up just because I'm investing in them. But I do think actually high schools should offer, as one of the alternatives to math class, they should offer how to look at stocks and learn about a different type of math of what goes on in the stock market. But I'm not a financial expert, and I'm merely showing you what stocks I have bought, and hopefully all will work out good for my portfolio and for your portfolio. And I do thank you very much for watching.